Do you guys want to go outside and start helping move stuff? We printed these with a FDM plastic printer. These are tensile bars that we're going to test after we cut them out from a gating system. They build a sand mold around the patterns, a 2-part sand mold, and then they open the sand mold up, and then we'll go outside and we'll pour aluminum in the cavity that's left from removing the pattern from the sand mold. Then we'll go back to Cornell, we'll pull on these and we'll break them. From that information, we'll try to predict the performance of an actual airplane part. So this is an actual part to an airplane, and then we're going to go over to the Beauvais lab and we'll test this and see how well the students' predictions from breaking the coupons and doing finite element modeling matches up with the actual real-life breaking of a part. Oh, that is awesome! Yeah!